All 5 tayo. Step. Floater. Bucket for 2. 7. And he attacks number 16. Oh, Euro step. And the fin. Pass to number 51. Bang! The answer. And bounce pass number 21. Spin move. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. So, mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Lawag Intercluster para sa laban ng Cluster 8 at Cluster 11. For the inbound, that's number 8 for Cluster 11. And here's number 16, pass it back, almost stolen. Recovers. Attacks, he lays, bucket for 2. And here's Cluster 11, number 25. Pass it to the corner, fires at 3, bang! And 5-3 score natin. All 5 tayo. Side step. Floater, bucket for 2. Here's number 51 for Cluster 8. Number 1 at the middle. The bounce pass to the middle. And a fires, too strong. Rebound Cluster 11. And he's slowly moving down, dribbling the ball for number 16, Cluster 11. And here's number 8. Bounce pass to the corner, fires at 3. Bang! Another. And to the middle. Here's the big man, kicks it out. Number 10. He passed the ball. Pass to number 51. Bang! The answer! He passed it cross. On the corner, floater shot off the window. Yes, sir. And here's Cluster 8. Number 51 with the ball. He passed it to the middle. Number 1. For 3. Bang! Off the glass. And you stop. He fires at 3. Bang! Umuulan ng 3. And here's Cluster 11. Number 25 holds the ball. Behind the pull-up jumper at the free throw. And a bucket for backdoor inbound for Cluster 8. He passes it to the middle. Fires. What a backdoor play. And a long pass. And he passed back number 16 to the middle, 19. He fakes number 19. Wild open for 3. Short. Rebound and a putback shot. And a bucket for 2. And here's number 16. Piniliti pasa. Ball stolen. And he attacks number 16. Oh, Euro step. And the pass. Number 19. Fires at 3. Bang! Another 3. And here you go again. And he attacks. He fires. Basket and 1. And 29-20 ang score natin. Number 16 with the ball. Pass it to the middle. Sa gitna na tapikan. Recover. Shot clock down to 7. Attacks and fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Out number 99. Launch on 3. Off the mark. Rebound still. Cluster 11 for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound. And again, fires off the window. Bucket for. And here's number 21. Inside pass. Pinabitin. What a. And here's number 7. Number 16. He stops. Pass back. Fix. Drives. Floater. Won't go. Rebound number 25 again. Bounce pass number 21. Spin move. Fires off the window. Yes, sir. Rebound. Cluster 8. Bounce pass inside. Pinabitin off the window. Pasok sa banga. And here you go on the corner for Cluster 11. Pinilit. Oop. Di pick up. Nag-dive. Si Dave. Ang galing naman mansakto sa loob. Pasok yan. And pass it number 21. Goes to the corner. He kicks out. Oops. Nagawan dito 2-on-2 ang laban. Attacks all the way to the rim. Short. Rebound. Nakuha niya pa rin. Fade away. Bucket for 2. Mas maganda palabas. And almost all. Oop. Deflect pass inside. Saktong-sakto. And a back. And there's cluster 8. Number 16 on to the host. My foul. And 1. And here's number 16. Pinasa sa loob. Ang gandang pasa. Libreng-libre. Number 8. And here's number 16. Great ball movement for cluster 8. Cross pass. Number 16 loses the ball. Recovers. He spins na. Uy! Gandang spin move. And bucket for 2. Pass. Here's number 16 to the middle. Number 13. Di Discarte. Pass back number 13. Shot clock down to 6. For long 3. Short. Uy, saktong-sakto pa. Oops. Tips in and a bucket for stolen. 3 on 2 ang laban. Pinasa pa. Bumangga. May pito. And for completing the 3-point play. And you complete. And here you go. Cluster 8 with the ball. Fires at 3. Bang! 3-point. Cluster 8. And all the way to the hoops. Offensive foul. Huli ka ni Rep. And 46-40 score natin. Oops. Natapikan. Naagaw. Pinabitin. Oh! And 41-48 ang score natin. And there's cluster 11. 12 seconds on the game clock. 10 seconds on the game clock. Step backs. Bounce pass in the middle. Stolen. Nabitawan yung bola. He recovers. Bumangga. Tumira. And bucket for 2. At the buzzer. Rebound cluster 8. And here's number 16. Bounce pass to number 1. Dribble the ball. Pass it to the corner. Launch on 3. Bang! And he pass it to the middle. Natapikan. Natapik ulit. Na-recover. Umatake. Bumangga. Tumira. And the lucky bounce. And tie game tayo mga idolers. Cluster 11. Nagmamadali si Idol of the window. Rebound. Put back number 21. And that's good. And a long pass to the middle. He dribbles. Crossover. Tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Wala. And nakuha dito ng cluster 11 na tapikan. Stolen. And to the middle number 16. Drives. Binit-bit. Oh! Grabing move naman no. Score natin. And pinasa. Stolen. Tanggal-tang po. Saktong-sakto of the glass. And now. And cluster 8 up by 4. And there's number 16. He crossover. Behind the back pass. Pull up jumper. Whoa! Inbound. Number 16, Pascual. And looking for the receiver. Bounce pass. Pass back. Number 16. Pinasa sa gitna. And recover. Boy Pascual. He spins. Fades away off the glass. And number 8. To the middle. Number 16. Number 21. He crossover. He attacks. Side step pass on the inside. He step back. Number 21 for 3. Very good. Rebound. Here's Pascual, long pass. Eksakto yung pass, Alice. Oh! That's inbound. And there's pull up Jay. No good. Rebound. Put back. 2 points pass. Nakuha ngayon. Number 16 again. Pascual. Shot clock down to 10. Pass on the inside. Reverse layup. Short. Rebound. Put back by number 3. And a bucket for cluster 11. Naagawan. And there's cluster 8 sa corner. Liz. My foul and 1. And here's number 25. Stops to the middle. Sa 3. Pang! 3. And a backdoor inbound. 2 seconds on the game clock. And a bounce pass. Oh! Perfect execution! And that's the action. And pull up jumper long 2 off the mark. Rebound dito. And long pass. Here's cluster 8. To the corner. Fakes. Drives. Sa gitna. Fakes again. He clutch. Fires. Oh, pumasok. Nagmaka. And crossover. Drives. Oops. Straight to the hoops. No good. Rebound. Cluster 8, pinasahan ang kalaban sa 3. Bang! And here you go. Side step. Fires. No good. Battle for the rebound. Crossover. Uy! Uy! Pinasa. Wild open for 3. Same spot. Bang! Same. And drives. Sumigway. Supalpal. Pass break. And here's Pascual. Side step. Tumira. Wala. Na-recover. Pascual. Fires. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Put back. Bucket for 2 off the glass. And 11-point lead for Cluster 8. Number 21 floater. Show. Pass break. And Pascual. Easy bucket. Nagawan. Number 21. Offensive foul. And ball possession for Cluster 8 sa corner fix. Sa gitna. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Numbers 19 again. Side step. Kicks out. Open for 3. Hook shot. Wala. Oy! Siyang nakashoot na. Ball. Still 11-point lead for Cluster 8. He stopped. Open for 3. He fires. Bang! Not. Rebound Cluster 8. And next here's Pascual. Nakashoot na naman. Number 19 ulit. Atake. Floater. No good. Rebound. Putback. Wala pa rin. Number 19 sa 3 naman. Bang! 3 13-point lead for Cluster 8. Sa 3. Bang! 3 10-point lead. And he drives all the way to the hoops. Lays off the glass. Bucket for 2. Lead for Cluster 8. Taking it easy. Here's number 16 Pascual with the ball. Pass to the middle. Shot clock down to 8. Pull up jumper and a bucket for... Oops. Ball stolen. Number 21. Sa 3, may foul. Bang! And 1! 10-point lead. Here's Pascual. Bounce pass. Setting the play. Pascual with the ball. Shot clock down to 10. He drives, he pass. Pull up jumper again. Ooh! Back. And 12-point lead again. Behind the back dribble. Number 25 to the hoops. Too strong. Rebound. And a pass break. Here you go. Binit-bit pa. Easy bucket. And it's number 25. Floater number 3. Yes, sir. And here's Cluster 11. Libreng-libre. Easy bucket. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Cluster 8.